Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you're looking for a Halloween style costume mask like this video is for you. Up close, has some padding right here, just make it a little bit more comfortable. And then it has this very intricate, it's like an LED wire. It comes with about a 4-foot extension that is black, and then it takes 2 AA batteries. It has a button on it. You press it once, you press it twice, you press it 3 times. So really 3 modes: solid, flashing fast, flashing slow. When the lights go off, oh man, does it look pretty sharp. Solid mode, flashing mode, oh man. And this is another flashing mode. That's like pretty legit. That's it on again. Very, very cool. It has an elastic band on the back, and you can see through some slits, and how it's designed, you can actually see through it pretty good. There is a hole here in the middle, just to kind of prevent it from kind of heating up on the inside. Putting a hoodie on to kind of match the overall style. Oh yeah. Looking good, looking good. It's definitely bright, definitely gonna catch the attention of onlookers. The inside, you really can't see much of the light. It doesn't really affect your field of sight. Now, full disclosure, this company sent this to me and said, Ryan, tell us what you think. Give an honest review if you're gonna be wearing this out doing a little trick-or-treating. Size-wise, this has enough elastic in it to go all the way around and have a good bit left over. Very, very lightweight, and it has an adjustable little clip here on the one side to where you can really shrink this thing up and fit on a much, much smaller melon. Hopefully that answered any and all questions you might have about this cool mask, and we'll talk to you soon.